I can't wait. This cruise will be so amazing. Yeah, Steve, we've waited all year for this. Hello, guys. You ready for the cruise of a lifetime? Yeah, Captain. We are super ready. Oh, no. The power went out. Is that a ghost? It's not just a ghost. It's a poltergeist. Geist. Do. Geist. Oh my, that poltergeist is so scary. What can I do? It is terrifying.
Oh no, the poltergeist just got me.
It's still after me. Gosh, I think I pooped my pants. Guys, if I can get the generator started, we can turn the lights on and run off the poltergeist. Good idea, Captain. We shall try to keep it busy while you work. Geist! Do! Geist! I can't run much longer. My shorts are full of serious business. It's all right, James. I'm close to doing that too. I've about got it, guys. Just keep it busy a little longer. Oh no, the ghost has me cornered. I might be screwed. Geist! Do! Geist! There it is, guys. The power is restored. That was close. Thanks, Captain. I never want to go on a cruise ship again. Me either, James. This was a bad vacation. I do not blame you, Gus. I might even retire. Thanks for watching Poltergeist on a Boat. For more gooder content, consider subscribing. Yeah.